Okay, let's talk about cube and cube roots. The first thing that we need to know is uh, what is perfect cube. Perfect cube क्या होता है? Okay. So say for example, I will take a number 8. This 8, it can be expressed in this form: 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8. Similarly, say for example, 64 is another number. I can put it like this: 4 4's are 16, 4's are 64. Another example, 125. 5 5's are 25, 5's 125. Say another example, 27. 3 3's are 9, 3's are 27. Okay, so this number 8, 64, 125, 27, these can be termed as perfect cubes. 8 is a perfect cube, 64 is a perfect cube, 125 is a perfect cube, 27 is a perfect cube. Why? Because they can be expressed as the product of 3 equal factors, 3 same factors. It can be put in the form of the product of 3 equal factors, 2, 2 and 2. Similarly, 64. It can express as the product of 3 same factors. 125, 3 equal factors. 27, 3 equal factors. All these numbers, they are termed the perfect cubes because they are able to express themselves as the product of 3 equal factors. Okay, so there are many more such numbers which are called as perfect cubes. Say for example, 216. It is the perfect cube of 6. 6 into 6 into 6. So it is written as 6 raised to power 3, means 6 cube. 6 cube. So that means 216 is a perfect cube. Similarly, 343. So it can express itself as the product of 3 equal factors, 3 sevens. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. So it can be put like this: 3 7 cube, 7 cube. Okay, so that means 343 is a perfect cube. All these numbers are perfect cube. Okay, in the same manner, 512. It is the perfect cube of 8. So that means 8 cube. Okay, so 512 is the perfect cube of which number? 8. So symbolically it is written as, okay, we put 3 here, cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Cube root. Square root is represented by this, but in cube root we put number 3 here. Okay, that's called as cube root. This is called as cube root. So cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Okay, so all these numbers are perfect cubes. All these numbers are perfect cubes. So what is perfect cube? Perfect cube is any number which can be expressed as the product of 3 equal factors. For example, 4 into 4 into 4, which can be expressed as the product of 3 equal factors. Right. So for example, 4 into 4 is equal to into 4 is equal to 64. 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. You can see that 3 equal factors. Here 3 equal factors. Okay, so 64 and 125. 64 and 125, they are perfect cubes, and there are many more such numbers. Okay, so 64 is the perfect cube of 4 and 125 is perfect cube of 5. Okay, now there is another thing that we need to know. What is the number of digits in the cube of a number? For example, let's observe some numbers, okay, and their cubes. For example, okay, this, for example, 1. So how many digits are there in this? Only one digit, right? Okay, so what's its cube? What's the cube of this number? 1 into 1 into 1, that's 1, again 1. And number of digits in cube, that's again 1. So this is number 1. The number of digits in this number is equal to 1. Okay, its cube is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 again, and number of digits is again 1. Okay, see, let's take another number, say 3. Okay, so number of digits in this, that is 1 again. What is its cube? 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so number of digits in the cube, they are 2 digits in the cube of this 3, right? Another example, say 9. Okay, so number of digits in this number is equal to 1. What's the cube of this number? 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729. Okay, you can calculate this. The number of digits is equal to 3. Another example, say 10. Number of digits in this number is equal to 2, right? And what's the cube of this number? 10 into 10 into 10, that's equal to 1000. You can say that 1000 is the perfect cube of number 10. What's the number of digits? That's 4, right? Say take another example, say 45. Number of digits is equal to 2. What is the cube of this number? 9, 1, 1, 2, 5. What's the number of digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits in the cube is equal to 5. Let's take another example, 99. Number of digits is again 2. What's the cube root? 9, 7, 0, 2, 9, 9 is the cube of 99. Number of digits 1, 2, 3, 6. Let's observe this carefully. Okay, see, this number 1, it is having only one digit, right? And its cube is again 1, which is having only one digit. Okay, now let's take this. This is again a number having only one digit. This is the, I think, smallest one digit number. This is the largest one digit number. It is again having one digit. Its cube root is having, its cube is having 3 digits. So we can say that based on this, if there are n digits in the number, if there are n digits number, n means 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, in this there are 1 digit, in this there is only 1 digit, there is only 1, there are 2 digits, there are 2 digits, there are 2 digits. Okay, based on this we can observe that, we can conclude that if there are n number of digits in a number, the number of digits in its cube will be at least, that will be 3n minus 2, and at most the number of digits in the cube will be 3n. Say for example, अगर कोई नंबर हम लेंगे जिसमें डिजिट्स n होंगे, उसमें कम से कम उसके क्यूब में कम से कम डिजिट्स इतने होंगे 3n-2 और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3n होंगे. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस 1. हियर द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट n is equal to 1. Right? Okay, what is the number of digits? 3n-2 or 3n? 3n-2, 3n-2. n is the number of digits. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. So number of digits in its cube will be 1. Okay, so let's take this example. Number of digits is again 1. The number of digits in its cube will be 1 or it will be 3. So 3 into n means 3 into 1, right? So that means we cannot estimate the exact number of digits in the cube of a number, but we can make two guesses. Either we can guess the least number of digits in that number, least number of digits in the cube of that number, or most number of digits in the cube of a number. Say for example, see this, there are 2 digits in this number. In the cube of this number, either the digits will be 3n or 3n-2. So that means either it will be 4 or it will be 6, because we can say that. So this 10 is smallest 2-digit number, 99 is greatest 2-digit number. So in case of greatest 2-digit number, the number of digits in its cube that will be, that is 6, right? As we go from smallest 2-digit number to greatest 2-digit number, the number of digits increase, right? So it can be in case of 2-digit numbers, if 2-digit numbers are they are smaller, okay, so the number of digits will be 3n-2. If the number is on the towards the greater numbers, towards the greater 2-digit numbers, so the number may be up to 6. So in case of 2-digit numbers, either the number of digits in the cube will be 4 or 6. In case of 1-digit number, it can be 1, 2 or 3. In case of 2-digit number, it can be 4, 5 and 6. So we cannot estimate the exact number of digits in a cube of a number. We can make two guesses. Either the number of digits in the cube of a number is 3n-2. So n is the number of digits in the number, okay, or it will be 3n. Say for example, we have to estimate the number of digits in the cube of this number 15. So we can make two guesses. At least the number will be 3n-2. At most the number will be 3n. Okay, so that means 3n is the number of digits in the number. Here the number of digits is 2. So 3 into, instead of n, we have to write 2 minus 2. Okay, so in case 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. It will be 4 or it will be 6. So that means in this number, the cube of this number will be having either 4 digits or 6 digits.